Step up your DIY domes by adding foiling. A couple of days ago, I shared a video on how to make your own money holder domes. Today, I am showing you how you can jazz up those domes by adding foiling. So I am using my Spellbinders Glimmer Machine, and this is for hot press foiling. So you need your glimmer machine along with your die cutting machine. And I am using the Waffle Flower hot foil plate tiny dots. So here I am I have my fan going, so my foil is going everywhere. But I have some gold foil here, and I got this one from Amazon. And I do recommend, if you're just playing around, I particularly like to use my cheaper foiling for that, just to make sure that things are going to go smoothly and I'm not wasting my foil. So now that I have heated up my hot foil plate, I'm adding my foil along with my piece of laminate and then the shims that come with your hot foiling machine. And I'm running it through my, this is my Stampin' Up! Machine, but it's the same thing as the Spellbinders Platinum 6. So don't ever let them make you think it's something different. It's not. It's the same thing as the Platinum 6. And voila, I took the foil off, and all of that foil has transferred over to my piece of laminate. And so here I'm going to start doing my scoring and cutting for the dome. And you're going to score at a 1/4 inch and a 1/2 inch on all 4 sides. The piece of laminate, I run a whole piece of laminate through my laminate machine, and then I cut down a piece to 3 by 4, and then by scoring at a 1/2 inch and a 1/4 inch on all 4 sides. Once you're finished creating that dome, it's going to fit into a hole that is the size of 3 by 1. I do have a separate video coming out that's going to share how I create my money holders. So you want to get a good scoring, because once again, this is plastic. So you're going to want to get a good scoring. I'm just using the scraper tool from Cricut. You can use a bone folder. I just found that the scraper tool for the laminate just gives me a better fold for what I'm looking for. And you're going to cut all 4 ends. So the little squares, you're going to cut off 4 of those. And when you're scoring this, because it's plastic, you really want to make deep score lines, because you really want it to have a really a good score, so you can see where you're folding your laminate at. So once that's done, I'm going to take the 1/4 inch score line, and I'm just going to bend those in the opposite direction. So you're doing like a valley mountain fold on the 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch lines. And so that will allow you to add adhesive to the top and adhere it into your money holder. Okay, so here I'm just popping out my template, and I'm just adding the one that I just made. And so you do sometimes have to fiddle with it just to get it in if you want a nice tight fit. And there you have it, a foiled dome to jazz up your money holders. Thank you for joining me.